Hi everyone. So in this video we will discuss about a very house plan for a very small plot. Okay. The facing for the plot is east. Okay, east road is present for this plot, and plot dimensions are 20 feet by 54 feet. Okay, 24 feet in width and 54 feet in length. So we are very much clear that so when this plot face is less in size like 20 feet or less, okay, it's tough to arrange two rooms side by side. Okay, in that case how we can manage, let's see in this plan. Okay, coming from the setback perspective, in the east we are just leaving 4.5 feet, and in the west we are leaving 2.5 feet, and coming to south completely zero, so we are not leaving any space in south direction just because of space constraint, that is width is only limited to 20 feet, and in north we are just leaving 2.5 feet. Okay, so maybe after compound wall we'll be getting minimum of 2 feet in the north direction. Coming to the main entrance, maybe somewhere here in the northeast side we can just arrange gate, main access, so this whole area will be can be useful for parking purpose. In this direction we are getting 13 feet 6 inches. Okay, and in length, in width we are getting 11 feet 7 inches. Okay, next, from the main entrance, this portion which is of 5 feet in width by 6 feet, okay, in this direction can be separated as drawing room. Okay, so from here this whole area, okay, in this direction it is 16 feet 3 inches, and in this direction it is 10 feet. Okay, this can be used as living area. Okay, so from here you can just see this minimum area is provided for puja, so you can arrange puja area in this place. From over here, like we have kitchen or dining area, so in width it is 6 feet 8 inches. Okay, it's like minimum I can say. You can just arrange kitchen, stove and wash area side by side with that width, and in length it is comfortable, that is 12 feet, so maybe you can just plan for dining in this room. Next, from this living to, okay, we arranged one master bedroom, so it is northeast entrance for this master bedroom. For this bedroom, in this direction 12 feet and in this direction 16 feet 3 feet. In measurement point of view, size point of view, it is of very comfortable size I can say. And one more thing, if you need, if you feel this whole space is getting wasted, okay, one more thing what you can do is you can just, instead of this wall placing this, instead of placing this wall here, you can just place this wall here, the placing door here, you can just cancel this. In that way maybe this door is opening to this area, so maybe you can arrange any kind of dressing table or computer table over here, so that we can just make this place usable. Okay, this is about this plan. I think we covered everything, and also you can just plan for external toilet over here, because here the comfortable width is given. Okay, instead of staircase, below staircase, even go for this. I think we have addressed everything. Setbacks done. Okay, coming to the plinth area, in width we are getting 17 feet 6 inches. Okay, plinth area, built up area, the width is, okay, 17 feet 6 inches, and in length it is from here to here, it is 40 feet 6 inches. That's all about it. If you are going for one more upper floor, we can just use same plan. Okay, over there we can even extend this to this length in order to increase the area of our drawing room, and remaining areas as it is. Okay, that's all about it. Thank you very much.